y'all, I'm back. I picked up my bag from, of course, Bath and Body Works. they surprised us with a little sale, y'all, a little buy two get two. And I did place an order for the candles. I originally got I got 2 Walk in the Woods, and I got 1 spiced pumpkin patchouli, and then I got 1 cypress and amber. Those were the candles that I originally got. But Monday they surprised us with this new drop that wasn't in my area yet. Well, at least I didn't see them in my area. So when I went into the store today, I exchanged those candles for these candles. The very first one I got is Cranberry Orange Seltzer. That's what the packaging look like. The scent notes is fresh orange, sugar cranberry, and seltzer water is the scent notes. I only got 1 because I got a feeling I'm not really gonna like this. It smells like Alka-Seltzers to me. It smells like the orange flavored Alka-Seltzers, if you use that, or if you know what that smells like. That's what it's giving me. Or an orange soda is what it's giving me. This is not bad, don't get me wrong. It most definitely smells sweet. I really don't get that cranberry. I get more orange and then more of that fizz. And it is slightly strong on cold. This actually isn't bad. I feel like this is what that cream soda candle should have been. Like I said, it does smells like an orange. So I got a feeling this one is gonna do really, really good. The next one I got is a Juniper and Gin. The scent notes is juniper berry, chilled gin, squeeze of lime. Yes, you get that juniper, and I do get that gin scent a little bit. It most definitely is giving me like that green vibe, that tree vibe. And I can see this. I think this is spot on. I really think it's spot on. I don't really get lime. I think that gin and that juniper berry is the 2 notes that I smell, and maybe that lime is really making it more of a, it's hard to explain. It does smell like a cocktail, but it's giving me slightly tree vibes as well. Yes, if y'all understand what I'm saying. It's giving cocktail, it's giving a strong cocktail. Not to say that it's strong on the gin, that ain't what I'm saying. I think with the sourness from the lime and the strongness, or that alcohol type of gin scent mixed in with that juniper berry, it's kind of giving me a cocktail but slightly tree. Yeah, I probably didn't explain that right, but hopefully y'all understand what I'm saying. It's like a yeah, let's leave it there. And the last 2 I got is Sweet Whiskey. Y'all already know I was gonna be excited for this one. I absolutely love Sweet Whiskey, and I don't care what they come out with, I'm buying it, because this is one of my favorite scents at Bath and Body Works. And I'm sorry, I do have this gum in my mouth, sorry. So yeah, Sweet Whiskey is amber, golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, red berries. Yes, I love this scent, and I don't care what they make it in, your girl is going to buy it every time. I love this. Not a real big fan of the packaging in this whole collection. I mean, it's okay. you know, but for me, this collection is more about the scent of the candles. I love this. You get that sweetness, you get that. To me, whiskey smells like kind of sweet. Oh, this is good. I get the amber, I get the vanilla, and this is good. And smelling it on cold is probably kind of better than the body care. Oh, this is good. I love it, love it, love it. Now this one is strong, and I don't know, maybe this is the first time it's been open, but this one is strong, and I most definitely get that whiskey scent, that sweet. I don't know if that's coming from the berries or the vanilla, and it is slightly warm toned. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So that's all I got on the buy two get two. And like I said, I did exchange for these candles because they wasn't online when I placed this order. So I was happy that I was able to exchange, and my exchange went through really good. You know, I just showed her my BOPUS order. She put it in. She asked me which date did I purchase them. So everything went smooth. Let me know in the comments, what did you buy on this buy two get two sale? Let me know that. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments. What candle, how you feel about this collection? Let me know that, because I'm kind of curious. This is actually good, but this is giving me like a holiday candle that we had. I'm not sure which one, but yes, that's what this one is giving me. Soda is what it's giving me as well, and Alka-Seltzer. But yeah, what do you think about these candles in this whole collection? I'm sorry, I do not know the name of this collection. It's a nice collection. I do recommend it. Out of all of these, you know, I recommend this sweet whiskey, which is at the bottom. Most definitely recommend this sweet whiskey just because it's one of my favorites. This one is really good. And as far as this juniper one, we're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see. I'm just saying. So yeah, leave all those things. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help. I truly, truly appreciate all of y'all. Shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always having my back. Thank you for always supporting me. And if it wasn't for you, your girl wouldn't even be doing this. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all, I'm trying to get back motivated, you know, doing these videos because I really do love it. And I'm sorry that I haven't been producing as many videos. But like I said, because of my MVP riders still holding me down, still got my back, that's why I keep on coming back, and that's why I keep on producing these videos. So thank you. Shout out to my MVP riders, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.